Hello everyone, it's Imran here. Welcome back to another video. So, today I'm going to react to another Try Not to Laugh challenge. Haven't done this in a while since I've reacted to all three versions of Cameron Guy's ones, but this is a Try Not to Laugh legendary challenge by none other than the great and wonderful Mauri QHD. So for those of you who don't know who Mauri QHD is, he was this YouTuber. He's not really active as he used to be before, but he used to upload years ago these Try Not to Laugh videos, and he still does today, and he calls it legendary. Well, basically, of course, he has clips where you have to basically try not to laugh. I mean, so many YouTube reactors I could name that have reacted to Mauri QHD. I mean, you surely know who he is. His videos have been seen by Pariact, Charmix, Incredible Deke, Deadpool Party. I mean, the list just goes on of how. I mean, Joshua Williamson, I think his name was, also reacted to it. Incredible Geek as well. I think I just mentioned him. So yeah, the only reason I'm doing number 34 because I have seen numbers 1 through 33 through reaction mashups and mainly Pariac's reactions. So yeah, I've actually not seen her Pariac's reactions to 34 and 35 yet. So I guess it obviously would make total sense of me to do my own reactions to them. Damn, I mean, QHD has actually done Try Not to Last Beyond 35, which is obviously the last reaction that Pariac did from him. So I'm just going to react to 34 and 35, since I haven't seen Pariac's reaction through of this video yet. And I'm going to do the other remaining ones that I've seen on this channel. So yeah, it's been a while since I've done a Try Not to Laugh challenge. I just thought I'd bring them back because, you know, I really do enjoy them. I mean, I passed all three of Cameron Guy's ones, so yeah, let's see if I can pass any of Mauri QHD's Try Not to Laugh. So link to the video and react to in the description down below as always. So without further ado, let's just get straight into this video.
Sir, where's the candy?
Oh, he's been kidnapped.
Oh man, I'm stuck.
How on earth is that?
Bro, I'm home. No. No!
Attention all Dragon Ball fans. What? It's me, Gohan. Dad and I are in big trouble right now. Frieza's beating us in battle and my dad's running out of power. So, I need your help. We need to give my dad our energy. All you have to do is give me your credit card number, the 3 digits on the back, and the month and year it expires. But be quick, or else Frieza might just win this one.
Hey Mom, what's the difference between a man and a margarita? One tastes better.
Social distancing, as you can see, we all have our masks on, and I'm going to encourage people to utilize the put on your mask because you can be asymptomatic, but that doesn't mean that you are not.
So what chemicals are they using in their water?
Not only does
when he mentioned the mask,
additives, these chemicals can at high levels cause birth defects.
Don't drink the water.
Oh, that is horrible.
Now, this is epic.
Is it? I definitely didn't even see that. That's Americans. European. What on earth was he doing right there?
Can I try? Okay.
Caught it with his privates. To just go up her.
Dad, do you think I'm ugly?
What do you? No, you're not ugly. You're just retarded.
Men working? Like
No,
women can't do the same fucking job? Is that not sexist to you?
Shut up, bitch!
An honest account of how I am right now.
Wait, John,
Listen, I've been drinking heavily since about 1:30 in the afternoon, since I got here. So, honestly, if you've taken the effect of the alcohol and the amount of time that I've been drinking, I'm blacked out. Like, I'm not...
Really? Guys. What? And girls.
Who the hell left the seat up? Who the hell left it?
What? I don't get this.
I should call her.
Grandma, say crack my finger.
Crack my finger.
And say it backwards.
Finger my crack.
Really? Really?
You know, these donuts represent our society. We're all a little bit different from each other, but we all still live together, you know? No discrimination. Anything like that. Don't be racist.
Oh, no, it was the brown donuts right there.
Just say it one more time. Why you want to change your name?
Because of all the jokes on Facebook about Karens. The middle-aged loser.
Poor woman. Stand up in 2021.
So what's the deal with wheat bread?
I bet you prefer white bread, you racist! Oh God, I'm sorry!
Ooh.
I caught a mouse.
Ooh, what? Where? Fuck off. Fuck off. No. I swear to fucking God. Get out of my room. Dad.
Oh. He trolled us so hard right there. Wow. That actually got me for a bit there.
Are you gay?
Okay, first of all, there's nothing wrong with being gay. Second, I'm not gay. I'm just eating. I just want to eat a mozzarella stick. Stop.
Remember, guys, if you don't sin a little bit, Jesus died for nothing.
No, that's not it. Oh my gosh. What?
I've noticed that some people are here for climate change and some people are here against climate change. Are you here for or against climate change?
He doesn't know what to say. Wow, he can really scan fast. While chewing gum as well.
Mommy, Daddy, can I sleep with you guys tonight?
Yeah, come on, Isaiah.
Okay.
A grown man sleeping with his parents.
Daddy, can you remove the remote from my back?
That's not the remote.
Oh, don't tell me it.
Can you believe
it
they're
has
still
privates?
together after all the shit they've been through?
Who?
Your butt cheeks.
Was not expecting that, to be honest.
Guys, how y'all doing? It's been so long since I've seen y'all.
What's he doing?
Oh, they didn't clean their rooms, huh?
No. No. Call of Duty. Black Lives Matter.
Kill him. Kill him now.
Do
it! Do it.
Shoot her! Do it! He doesn't want to because he supports Black Lives Matter. Police officers in 2021.
Hi, I'm a police officer, and I have a warrant for your arrest. But if you don't want to come, it's okay.
That's how police are these days.
I know what I have to do, but I don't know if I have the strength to do it.
Really? Really, Murray? Life of a Blackberry. No, come on.
If black people say it's racism, you shut up and learn it. If Muslims say it's Islamophobic, you shut up and learn it. If women say it's harassment, you shut up and learn it. If gay people say it's homophobic,
No, he's not interested.
you shut up and learn it.
check the box because...
There is no meat. Take off your clothes.
Yeah, I've seen that several times. When you accidentally type... Oh, look, it's Pennywise. Oh, and he slapped it. Pennywise right there.
All right,
oh my god, it was his head.
On my mom.
Hey, some prank.
Hey, nigga, hey.
One time he could have put his underwear down. He didn't. Yeah, I've seen that one before. That would be one hell of a final boss.
Can I eat it?
Yes. Yeah. When this... Wait, I don't even know where
Come on. Oh my god, dude!
Oh, wild
Your
dog.
dick is so small.
Hey!
Oh, sorry, Dad.
What did I teach you about being toxic online?
Call him the N-word.
Call him the N-word. That's my...
Oh my goodness!
Really?
Why are you looking so sharp?
Because I came back from a funeral.
Oh no.
Oh.
Let's go. Want some Pringles, Dad?
You put your hand like
put
this,
it-
like a little hole.
Really? Really?
And he's gonna want to run in there, and go ahead and scare him behind.
Okay.
And watch this.
Oh, look, it's a dog. Whoa, what the hell? Look at its teeth. What the hell? Oh my god, that's actually quite creepy, I'm not gonna lie.
What are you doing? Thomas! Hey buddy, what are you doing?
I didn't think it would be that funny. He's also gonna try and make a run for it. Yep. Oh my god.
What happened right there?
Really, the cough.
What was it?
A skater bat.
A skeeter bat? Did it hurt?
Yep.
Ooh.
God damn it, it's a brand new truck.
Oh. That's the dog.
Oh my god! Stop using the dog as a puppet!
Bring me a sandwich, bitch!
Seen that one before.
You don't like tequila?
No.
Yeah, me neither.
That face though. Child is off. Your cat but never zero. Ooh. He's gonna really mop his dog. Poor dog.
That's it. You're no longer allowed to sleep on this bed because all you do is lay here 24 hours a day and don't do anything. I even bought you a ball and you don't even play with it.
Poor dogs. It's a cat.
Give me a second eye.
Do not.
Oh. He wants to
You can
walk
have
on
this,
it. He couldn't even jump.
but you have to wait until I come back, okay? Right?
He's not gonna wait.
Wait.
He's not gonna wait.
Wait.
He's gonna grab it. He's gonna grab it. Yep. Told you.
Hey. Get the fuck
Nearly
out of
fell
here.
right there. Yeah, I've seen that one as well. Chicken nuggets. Ooh. Chicken eating chicken nuggets. The dog just wants the pizza stuff. Wait for it. Oh, that's cute. Oh. Poor dog. No, I'm not gonna lose. I think you're done. No! No! I just managed to pass. Oh my god, I was so close at the end to losing right there. What the actual hell? I mean, I found the clips funny, but I didn't think I'd find them this funny. So yeah, I passed. I managed to pass. So let me know in the comments down below if you passed or not. I just managed to pass, but wow, there was a lot of cats and dogs ones. I mean, that was the reason that Pariak lost many of Mauri QHD's trial to laughs when she reacted to them in 2020, was because there were so many cats and dogs in them. Can't wait to see her reaction to it because I haven't seen her reaction to it yet. But Para, if you're watching this, I passed, by the way. So yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to reacting to the other ones that I'm going to react to hopefully in the coming week or days. And I should also mention, since this is likely, let's see, 5/19 likely to be the last video I react to today, that this time next week, I think hopefully next Saturday, I plan on reacting to a video on this channel that is over an hour long. It is something to do with Thomas the Tank Engine, it is. But what that is, when I saw a first exclusive look at what this hour-long video I'm going to react to probably next Saturday, in the dark. It is a kind of Thomas horror film. What that is, you're just going to have to wait and see. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button for me. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this video I reacted to. Let me know in the comments down below if you passed this Try Not to Laugh challenge or not. I definitely managed to pass. And also let me know in the comments down below what other videos you want me to react to next. Share this video, subscribe if you're new here, ring that bell to get notified for when I upload new videos or when I post on the community tab. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!